Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just iPhone cellular data not working on apps, so how you can fix it. So first you just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here airplane mode. So just try to turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after just go to the cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after just find general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just go to the general, just open software update and just check if you have available updates here. If you have, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iOS. So and after you can try to go to reset, and here you will see reset network settings, so just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.